Potholes may seem like minor inconveniences, but for bicyclists, they can cause devastating crashes. Bike accidents caused by potholes can leave victims with broken bones, head trauma, spinal injuries, and months of painful recovery. And when someone else's negligence is responsible for your injuries, they should be responsible for the costs as well. If a government agency responsible for road maintenance knew or reasonably should have known about a pothole, and they fail to repair or clearly mark it, then you may have grounds for a personal injury claim. This can provide compensation for your medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. But filing a claim against your local government isn't something most people should do alone. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love has been injured in a bicycle accident caused by a pothole in California, contact Maison Law right away.